What's up, guys? Hope you're enjoying the smashing of the cars. But yeah, we'll get to what this video is actually about, and we'll start doing some land clearing here. Do me a favor, smash the like button, subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Another thing to always remember when you're looking at bidding a job and stuff is look at all the extra stuff on the job and see if there's ways you can make money besides what you're charging the customer. Like this job here, there's all this metal. Like we found piles of metal out in the woods. There was a couple cars, a bunch of old farm plows and stuff. Like that's important to make sure to let the customer know that you'll take care of that stuff, because if you have to move it to do your job anyways, you want to be able to take that in for scrap and make money on it. So those are also some other added benefits, is look at every aspect of the job and see how you can financially profit on it, and you'll be a lot better off. Like bidding these jobs, you can't be afraid of it. Like you got to learn. I mean, first couple you might get it wrong and stuff, but as long as it ain't too wrong, you'll be able to survive and move forward with it. But yeah, we got a bunch of other tips coming up. Just continue watching the video. So I'm going to cut right to the chase. Some easy ways on how to bid these jobs is, like, there's a few ways to do it. So a lot of guys, they charge per acre of how much land to clear and stuff, but sometimes that's not always the route to go. I mean, like, there's a lot of unforeseen things on jobs that you could run into that are going to take you more time, to where like that 1 acre price, I mean, might not be best for you. So like a lot of ways you can do it is you charge by time and materials, which most like land clearing stuff just be your time. Some things to look at when you're doing time and materials is how many hours you'll have into it, how many machines you'll have on site. You want to charge efficiently for that. Like things to factor in on your end of what you think you need to charge. Like you need to look at how much fuel you think you're going to use, how much labor you're going to have. Like, are you hauling the trees and the brush off site, or are you able to handle that on site, which will make your bid substantially lower, to where like you can dig a hole and burn them, or just stack them up in a pile and burn all the brush. But it's just simple ways to bid these jobs, is where once you do a couple of them and something, like, or if you've ever cleared some land, like you'll have a good idea what you think you're gonna have in time. But just to give the customer a rough estimate, but like that way you'll protect yourself. Like if you legitimately charge on time, like you'll know the bid a lot better, and you'll be able to protect yourself. And that's not a bad way to do it. If it's your first couple, is just do it based on time and materials if the customer will do it, and then that way, like next time, you know what's charged, like for a lump sum. But yep, don't forget, check out our merch store below. We got lots of good merchandise in there, and we appreciate it. Dude, what is this thing? It's like a go-kart. Let's see if the old 305 will pick her up.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh.
Alright guys, one important tool you gotta get. This freaking grapple is awesome. like if you're getting into excavating and stuff, and like you think you're gonna do some lot clearing and some simple stuff like this, get yourself one of these root rake grapples and go to town. These things are sweet. Or even if you like are ever gonna rent a skid steer, do some project at your house, like if you got lots of brush and stuff, it's a lot easier to transport it that way into one big pile and move stuff around. They work pretty good. I mean, this one was pretty inexpensive, and as long like we hard face our stuff, so it lasts a little bit longer. Because I mean, it's not the most robust steel, but it's done pretty well so far. But definitely love this thing. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dirtworks TV. So we're out here on this land clearing project. We got some piles of brush, some more metal. Got to clear some of this yet. Got the old chainsaw out here. More piles of brush. Tore down that old barn. We're just out here trying to get this a little bit wrapped up so we can head on to the next one. Just rained here for 3 days. Muddy mess, but had the grapple break. Gotta replace the collar on there. All the fun. Just fixed a hydraulic leak on the excavator. We're gonna cut up some of these trees and get back to work. Let's go. What's up?
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God